Uh, Today we will learn how to give YouTube channel permission to your employer to do their tasks. So at first we have to go to our YouTube, then on the right top we'll click on our channel icon, then we will click to YouTube Studio. Okay, after clicking on YouTube Studio, on the left side down here we will get settings, and we will click on the settings, and then a new tab will open, and there we see all the settings. Under the settings we will find the option permission. We will go to the permission, select this one, and then we will click to invite, and then we will put the Gmail of our employee who assigned to do our tasks, and on the access section there we will select manager. Okay, we'll select manager and then click done. An example, we can write here something like this email. Okay, then click done. Okay, thank you. Then click to